Okay, I'll just show you how to put the seats down and back up again in this Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. First thing to do is remove this roller blind. Then flip these back, pull down like so, they go down easy enough, and then just fold these out. The car's not being cleaned at the moment, sorry about that. Then round to the front doors. Just pull the side there, that folds the seat right the way forward, knock that little catch forward, and then you just have to, there you go. Then pull this little tag upwards, like so, knock the catch, pull the flap, round to the side here, little tag there, again pull up like so, that falls flat, knock that tag up, and that's it, all flat. Easy enough to put back up. Just put that back, lift that up, like so, then back and so on. But actually I'll just show you so you can probably better see from that camera. So to get the back seats up, pull the tab here like so. You're probably best just pulling it back a little bit like so. Then pull up like that, up like that. That's the back seats up. The red tab at the bottom, pull the red tab, that goes down. The tab's at the back there. Tab's at the back. Nice and easy system to use.